Good morning, grade 8. We are doing set 3.3 and the question is find the cube roots of the following numbers. First number they have given as 8,000. Now before we start how to do this, let us see some basic things. For example, you know that x cube is equal to x into x into x. You're multiplying one number by 3 times, we call it as cube. But if I want to find cube root means you can write 3 over here. Cube root of same number, it is as good as finding cube root of x into x into x. So when you are finding cube root, which number is multiplied 3 times? That will come out of this root sign once. And so cube root of x cube is nothing but x. You got it? So this can be written as cube root of x cube, or it is also written as x raised to, in rational indices, 1 upon 3. So cube root of this number is nothing but x. I hope you understand. This 3 writing over here indicates it is cube root. That means which number is repeating or it is multiplied by 3 times. If you take it out of this root sign, cube root sign, it will come only once. It is to say that, just see now this example we are seeing. See this now, 8,000. We have 8,000 can be written as, we have to find cube root of this. So it is cube root of 8,000. Okay. So it is as good as you are finding cube root of 8 into 1000. Okay. Now what is 8? Which number? This is cube root. So I am writing 3 over here. Okay. Fine. Now which number can be multiplied 3 times to get 8? It is 2, we know that. See, 2 into 2 is 4 and 4 2s are 8. So for 8 I am writing 2 into 2 into 2. And for 1000 I can write 10 into 10 into 10. Okay. So which numbers are repeated? Which number is repeated 3 times over here? This is 2 and here it is 10. So when I am taking this out of this cube root sign, 2 will come once and 10 will come once. So I will write cube root of 8,000 is equal to, cube root of this is 2 I am taking once and 10 I am taking once. Cube root of this, cube root of this. So what I got answer? Cube root of 8,000 also can be written as 8 raised to 1 upon 3. We have seen denominator indicates root. So this is cube root is nothing but 20. That means what? If I multiply 23 times, 20 into 20 into 20, I am going to get 8,000. Okay. So in short, now your answer is up till here only, mind well. Okay, your answer is 20. That's it. This is for your verification. I can write it as 20 cube is 8,000, sorry, or cube root of 8,000 is 20. I hope you understand what I am trying to tell you. So it's very simple. You prime factorize the number and then see, that means divide this number or prime factorize it to get the numbers and see that which number is coming thrice. Now this is not a prime number, but I know that 1000 cube root of 1000 is 10. So I can write 10 into 10 into 10. Do as per your convenience. Okay. So your first answer, cube root of 8,000 is 20. This is your answer. This I have told you for explanation. Okay. Let's go for next problem now. Okay, now come to the second problem, 729. Now we have studied prime factorization. Another way I am telling you, you can prime factorize if you find it difficult to calculate mentally which number it is multiplied by 3 times. So you can go by this method also. 729, you sequentially factorize it. Write down all these factors over here. Now we want 3 numbers and here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can make 2 numbers, 1 pair. So 3 3s are 9. This 3 count 3 into 3 9 and 3 into 3 9. So I got 729 when multiplied 9 by 3 times, then I get 729. So immediately, and I want cube root only. Cube root means that number should be multiplied 3 times by itself. So cube root of 729 is cube root of 729. 29 I am breaking as 9 into 9 into 9. I want to find cube root. To get it out from this root sign, when the number is multiplied 3 times, I will write it only once. And so your answer is 9. Similarly, 343 you see, this is 7 into 49. 49 is broken up again as 7 into 7. So which number is multiplied 3 times? 7. So when I will take it, it is cube root, mind well. So please write cube sign over here, 3. So cube root of 343, also written as 343 raised to 1 upon 3. Then specify like this. When you are taking it out from the cube root sign, your answer will be 7. Okay. Now look at this minus sign is there. Minus 512. I am keeping this minus sign outside. And inside I am writing, this can be split up as 8 into 8 into 8. So 8 is multiplied by 3 times. So you obviously know cube root of 5 and 2 will be 8. But now question remains with sign. Please remember students, if it is multiplied by 3 times, then see minus into minus into minus will give you minus, odd numbers. Minus into minus will give you plus, but plus into minus again becomes minus. So cube root of negative numbers, they will have minus sign. Please remember this. So your answer is minus 8. Now let's go to the next problem. Now next problem C, we have minus 2744. Now you factorize 2744 into this way. Once you factorize it, you come to know that it is product of 3 times 2 into 3 times 7. So what I am doing, I want one number which is multiplied by 3 times. So I am pairing this 2 with 7 and I got 14. So this 2 becomes 14, this 2 are 14 and this 2 are also 14. So in simple way, minus 2744 can be written as minus 14 into minus 14 into minus 14. Minus into minus plus and plus into minus again becomes minus. So cube root of minus 2744 is cube root of minus 14 multiplied 3 times. Minus 14 multiplied 3 times. And therefore cube root of 2744 is minus 14. Now look at this question, 6th number. When the numbers are too big, students, you only factorize. Do not go for prime factorization. What I mean by prime factorization, you are using all prime numbers, isn't it? Now if I start with 2, this length will go on. It will be very lengthy. So try to shortcut it. You can use only factorize, so I am using the word, not prime factorization, factorizing this. That means I am just dividing it into the possible numbers, so that if I take the bigger numbers, the length of this will be reduced. So in that, just see that looking at over 68, you know that these numbers are likely to be divided by 4 and therefore I have used 4 over here and divide these numbers. Okay, so once you start dividing this number by 4, I automatically got 512. Now it should click to you, students. Please learn the cubes up till 10. Okay, like 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27. Like this, immediately 5 and 2 means it is cube of 8. And so immediately you can write 5 and 2 is nothing but 8's cube. And so I got here 8 into 8 into 8. So immediately what I did, 4 into 4 into 4, 8 into 8 into 8. Which number is multiplied 3 times? Combine this. You have 4 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32 and 4 8s are 32. That means 32,768 is 32 into 32 into 32. Same number multiplied 3 times. That means cube root of this number is 32. Okay. So that is how it is. I hope you have understood. Let's go for simplify, that is second problem. Cube root of 27 upon 125. 27 is 3 into 3 into 3. 125 is 5 into 5 into 5. I am removing this cube root sign. So only 3 will be out, 5 will be out. Answer will be 3 upon 5. Similarly, look here now, 16 upon 54. These are not perfect cubes. So what I am splitting this as 2 into 8 and 2 into 27. 8 upon 7 are perfect cubes. So I can cut this 2 and I have 8 as 2 into 2 into 2 and 27 as 3 into 3 into 3. So out of cube root sign, I'll get only 2 upon 3. Now look at this. This is very interesting example. See now, 0.000729 can be written as cube root sign as it is. This I am writing as 729 upon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means this is 1 million or 10 lakhs. How? See, there are 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6 zeros, point will be there. Alright. So it is as good as 79 divided by 1 million or 10 lakh. Now look, this I can split as cube root of 729 upon cube root of, there are 6 zeros. So I can write this as 100 into 100 into 100. Now cube root of 729, they have given in the textbook, answer of this is 9. So I am writing over here 9. Now cube root of which number is multiplied 3 times? 100 is multiplied. So out of cube root of, if I am taking, I will get only 100 over here. Now 2 zeros are there. So 1 and 2. So after 2 numbers, point will be there. So your answer is 0.09. So that's all for today, students. Thank you.